Are you familiar with Angela Brissett?
You mean Mullins' daughter, head honcho, his bulldog. You have something on her?
Babes, me know why you think me a neglect for business, but the chef will just get hectic from the other day, and I apologize one more time. And me know you actually stay above us just despite me, but a surprise us, so I hope you like it. I'm also put up the umbrella.
You get the place. If it's bad, not true.
And I also had an early event, so that's why come home to see me, but hope we can talk in the afternoon or in the evening.
Pretty umbrella. Yes. So Tony, I know we're not gonna finish up now. Pick up the chair them and the table and something. And then two little flowers and something out there. Like it.
Yeah, we're gonna get some white paint to paint that. And some more posters to put on the door and paint the door.
Yeah, good idea. But I think if they use grey for the seekers, white dirt, they can paint the door grey too.
I really feel bad because I load him up.
Yeah, you did. But not worry too, you. All you do when him come in, you just make sure you have a nice shower and you just fix him up nice and proper later. 1, 2, 3, yeah?
Bubbles, not bother with it.
Just like how you da tease me in the car about Mr. and Mrs. Savage, Mr. and Mrs. Kareem. Hey, you know you can't name the shops though. Mr. and Mrs. Kareem. Yo, that sound bad.
Sorry, I say the thing to you.
Anyway, look here, excuse me, customer service. Please, I can get something cold to drink right here, sir. Please and thank you. You know what you have to do, Tonya? Call Whisper. I'll show him the surprise.
That's so bad. I call it.
Yeah, but I'm making some cold for drink now, please, thanks.
Coming right up.
Thank you.
Minister, are you aware of how the sleeper program works? So for every public face, every undercover agent, there is a sleeper shadowing them in the back. A shadow, if you will.
So it's not just the undercover agent. There's somebody watching the undercover agent.
Exactly. Have you ever seen this space around Miss Brissett before?
Yeah. So I'm once up by Top.
Well, he seems to be everywhere that she is. In my professional opinion, I think that he is her shadow.
So is he a part of the agency or the force?
No, you know, I did a facial recognition search, and guess what this brother come up as?
What?
A water commission worker.
And then the everywhere Angela Brissett is. So everywhere she go pipe bus.
I plan to bust this wide open. Because there's more to this man than it seems. So I'm going to go deeper. I'm going to get my scuba gear and go really deep.
Well, Jonathan, I must say that this meeting was very productive. You seem to be on the right path. Just continue on the same due diligence, because we can't afford to lose this. And the job is yours. Let's bring down Mullins.
Ever since I was a teenager and Daddy was working there, I knew that position should have been his. But Mullins, slimy bastard, weaseled his way into it. So guess what? I am coming for it come hell or high water.
You just start sounding like the warrior. And you know you can be. Take down knowledge. Take the position. Get out the power.